I'm MD the Stone Casa. We basically are into finishing surfaces of granite and marble. That's our family business, and we've diversified. This is actually, you could say, one more vertical of ours. We manufacture terrazzo. That's basically cement tiles, and there are a lot of detailing that goes into it. Like we've changed the culture from just having the conventional 12 by 12 mosaic tile to a new fashion terrazzo. We do it in bigger sizes, like 4 by 2, 8 by 3. That's a revolutionary technology change, we could say. Nobody actually can do it. We are able to do slabs in terrazzo, and there are a lot of modification that is possible. You can fill in glass, you can fill in stone, you can fill in granite, you fill in whatever you think of. An architect's paradise, I would say. Whatever they think of, may be doing it on site. We do that also. Also the slab, like I said, whatever modifications is provided, we cater to that.